Well, it's a Monday and on Money Time, we're here to divert your Monday blues with all the big stories of the day. I'm Shrestha Tiwari. Over to the top newsmakers. Let us begin with some good news on the price front. Very soon, you might get relief from rising prices of essential items like soaps, detergents, biscuits, noodles and so on. Manufacturers of FMCG products have said that raw materials like palm oil and crude oil have started to become cheaper in the international market. As a result, manufacturers may reduce prices of FMCG products by December quarter 2022. Even in the near term, they can roll out many discounts and offers on various products. Well, we hope that this news brings relief to your budget. And continuing with more good news, bank account holders of the South Indian Bank will now earn higher interest rate on both FDs and saving accounts of the lender. Now the account holders will get highest interest rate of 5.85% if they open FD of the longest tenure of between 5 to 10 years, and the account holders will get interest rates in the range of 2.65% to 5.85% on FDs of different tenures. Senior citizens will get a 0.5% higher FD rates than the applicable rates. The new rates are applicable only on those FDs for less than 2 crore rupees, while account holders can get interest rate of up to 4.75% if the opening savings account of various types with the bank. Let's take you to some investment options. If you are looking to invest in a mid-cap fund, then here is some good news for you. IDFC Mutual Fund has announced the launch of IDFC Mid Cap Fund. It is an open-ended equity scheme. Investors can apply in its NFO from Thursday, July 28, 2022 to August 11, 2022. Vishal Kapoor, CEO of IDFC Mutual Fund, has said that the fund will provide investors an opportunity to benefit from the robust growth potential of fundamentally strong mid-cap companies. Sachin Relikar, who is the senior fund manager of the fund house, will be the fund manager for IDFC Midcap Fund. And here's a new Flexi Fund entering the market. Baroda BNP Paribas Mutual Fund has launched a Flexi Fund. Baroda BNP Paribas Flexi Cap Fund, an equity scheme with the flexibility to invest across market caps. The fund will focus on investment opportunities across sectors and market capitalizations, and it aims to create long-term wealth by investing predominantly in equity and equity-related securities. The subscription for the NFO begins July 25th and will close on August 5. The fund will be managed by Sanjay Chawla, Chief Investment Officer, Equity, and Baroda BNP Paribas Asset Management India Private Limited. And moving on to automobiles, the Automobile Dealer Association has said that far more people in India are buying automobiles as compared to previous 2 years. Plus, according to Vinkesh Gulati, the president of FADA, there will be robust demand for passenger vehicles in the upcoming festive season. Demand for automobiles in the festive season of the previous 2 years was tipped because of the coronavirus pandemic, but now there are huge inquiries on passenger vehicles, especially SUVs. Plus, he has also said that people are not buying two-wheelers as they used to buy before the pandemic. Two-wheeler prices are now increased by about 30% because of the transition from BS4 to BS6. And now some news coming in from the entertainment industry. To solve its problem of falling subscription level, Netflix may start offering sachet plans of only 10 rupees for every movie. A private fintech firm, Pay Nearby, has advised Netflix to offer such a sachet plan to augment its subscription base in the country. The OTT-based platform is evaluating its proposal. If Netflix decides to offer such low-cost a la carte plans, then viewers can get to watch movies at just 10 rupees on the OTT platform. And if you invest in banking stocks, then this one's for you. Many analysts are bullish on banking stocks. Cyril Charlie, who is the research analyst at Geojit Financial Services, has said that the banking industry is poised for a solid performance in the second half of 2022. Prashant Tapse, who is vice president at Mehta Equities Limited, has said that the bank index is headed for outperformance. The net interest margins of banks are in expanding mode due to a rising interest rates. Now let's see how banking indices have performed since the beginning of 2022. The Nifty PSU Bank Index is up by 10.18% year to date, whereas Nifty Bank Index has increased by mere 3.5% in the same period. Talking about developers who have gone bankrupt, SEBI on Monday warned the public to not purchase properties of real estate company PACL Group. This real estate company had defaulted long time ago and SEBI has banned to sell any properties to the public at large. SEBI has said that any attempt by individuals or entities to illegally and unauthorizedly take possession of the properties of PACL will invite strict action. And some distressing news coming in from Zomato. Zomato share price on Monday plunged 11.09% to close at 47.70 rupees per share. The counter was under heavy sell-off pressure as 1 year lock-in period of promoters, shareholders, employees and others had ended on July 23, 2022. The public issue of Zomato was listed on the bourses on July 23, 2021 at a strong premium of more than 51%. Avinash Gorakshkar, who is the head of research at Profit Mart Securities, has said that in an interview with the Business Mint Daily, Mint has said that selling pressure on the scrip will continue in the near term. And the last news on the block today, according to a report by NSO, total enrollments with ESIC has increased to more than 6.5 crore in the country. In financial year 2022 itself, ESIC registered 1.5 crore new enrollments. In the last 4 years, close to 1.5 crore enrollments have been registered on ESIC on annual basis. According to latest data, close to 15 lakh new members have joined the ESIC run Social Security Scheme in May 2022. And that's all on today's Money Time. Also, we're pleased to let all the Money9 viewers know that India's first multilingual multimedia personal finance OTT channel Money9 app is now on Google Play and App Store. So go ahead and download it for all your personal finance digest and keep watching Money9.